the worksheets you have been doing, any questions from that, your own personal life, your own suffering, any kind of confusion, debates happening where you need to discuss and find more clarity, just we can do that today. uh, or we can.
I'm facing like a lot of trouble in conducting classes,
Hmm.
like because it's very grave presently in Surat. So I yes, day before yesterday I took the class with students and I taught them little muscular relaxation technique, which
Hmm.
was helpful to them. But then yesterday I myself was very low because I had two, three friends. They are very critical. One of them is admitted to Ahmedabad hospital,
Hmm.
and his whole family is isolated. All of them are infected, and
Hmm.
the fellow is working so hard in environment, and he got this infection, and he was very critical yesterday. And then there was some news of another relative from Mumbai. Also under the similar kind of situation.
Hmm.
Already one of our senior doctor friends here in Surat, lot of doctors are now getting infected.
Hmm. Hmm.
So we hear a lot of nurses and doctors are coming across this.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I got so many bad news yesterday at a time, so I couldn't handle it. And today morning I was supposed to take once again the class.
Yeah.
तो रात को तो मेरी ऐसी हालत थी कि मैं कैसे क्लास लूंगी. I was
Yes.
not in a state to like what I'll do in the morning. I couldn't do my preparation for the class, and I in the class I can't show them that like I'm so low and I'm not able to teach them. So it was really tough. So now how to deal with this when I'm sure many other faculties must be feeling, but
Yes.
like we do not have a good work culture in the college, so it's difficult to share. No, they don't come up how they must be struggling.
Hmm.
And everybody doesn't have that sort of strength to go through. So
Yeah.
maybe they have more fears and anxieties to face, or
Yeah.
at their home levels also.
Yeah. So let's hear from Sneha. Sneha, would you like to say something on it?
Uh, about anxiety,
What
I'm not.
Nehal asked,
Yeah.
or whatever she shared, that the
Yeah.
global situation looks on the face very bleak, and one begins to take this burden of suffering of others on oneself. That happens because we human beings are capable of sympathy, empathy, and because of that we land up in trouble as well many a times.
Yeah,
So
I get very easily connected.
yes,
एंड
yes,
देन इट्स वो क्या होता है फिर वो ना चिपक जाता है. इट इज
बिल्कुल.
वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू लाइक लेट गो. हो जाएगा नहीं होता है वो पूरा दिन, फिर वो चलते रहता है दिमाग में. इसका क्या हुआ
True, true.
होगा.
So, what is the right attitude? Sneha, would you like to share your thoughts on this? And after that, maybe I can share what I have to say.
Mm-hmm. Um, for me, I don't know if like it's the right answer or I don't know. Um, I find it COVID ke time because I'm hearing news like this, and we're even two of my colleagues who are not working. So it's okay,
Mhm.
like few people are working in as a clinician and they get infected. They're kind of prepared. Like two of my colleagues who are not working, even they got infected,
Yeah,
and this was in Kerala, which is like very very good handling of COVID.
yeah,
S I do think about it. In fact, because more time I'm spending at home, I'm working from home and I'm going out only for groceries. Like that way, it's a privilege. Mm. So I'm like इतना आता नहीं है unless I hear news like this. One
yes,
day I went to get my internet done, and that's when I saw people in PPE. मेरे घर के पास बहुत hospitals हैं.
yeah,
So even the patient visitors were wearing, and even in roads, people like
Hmm.
were walking like that. Then I realized कि actually it's changed very drastically. Like we
yeah,
can not go back. And that time I felt very sad and scary. Um, I'm not a public health specialist, but still, what I've heard from public health people that in December it's going to be all the more. So it does scare me. At the same time, I think this is also the time where I am doing a lot of inner work, and it's just happening.
yeah,
All that I'm involved in is very deep work. So I have COVID has actually made my sense of mortality more strong. अब तो सच में पता नहीं है कि हम कितना जिएंगे
Mhm.
और कितना, how we'll be infected. So I think my approach right now for myself is to just make the most out of every day and
Beautiful.
be as present as possible. Like,
Mm.
I'm focusing more on presence
Yeah,
now. Yeah,
yeah,
that's my
beautiful.
approach.
Yeah. I think that's actually the right attitude to take because we don't know, we see situations or happenings only on the face value. So we say if somebody is dying, it's necessarily bad. If
Mhm.
somebody is getting infected, it's necessarily bad, right? So that is how we human beings look at situations. Now, what Mother has said very, very clearly that if you want to really travel deep within your heart and touch that true essence that you really are, stop taking things on their face value. So, we don't know the global kind of the happening that is presenting in a face value which is very different. So, on an appearance, it appears very scary. Yes, obviously, but there is always a deeper meaning or deeper happening beyond the surfaces which we are not aware of. Just like you shared that I am working more on my inner work, I am giving more time to that and living more in present. Now imagine if this global situation would not have happened, we would not have so soon get ourselves confronted with death. It would not have been possible. And now this is happening not only for Sneha, but it is happening at a collective level. People know that life cannot be taken for granted. So a small virus which cannot be seen, can just throw you away. That fragile alive. So exactly, that is the right attitude, that first of all, not to take things on the face value, realize that there is a deeper purpose. We don't know that purpose is. We can realize the purpose only for ourselves. For example, I can realize this time is for my inner work and I'll spend as much time as possible deepening my inner journey. So one can take it like that. The other thing is that uh, so I just got interrupted my thought of stream of thoughts. So the other thing is that when these things are happening, we take the burden of others suffering on us. That is the biggest blunder one can do, biggest blunder, because we are not Paramatma.
Mhm.
The burden only belongs to the one who has created even my own burden. I cannot carry it. Carry your burden for one day. You will be tired, exhausted, drained. Just think about your past life and past years that you have spent and have all that burden on your shoulders, and you will see you will go mad. So, this is not meant for us. This is to be offered. Life is actually a yagna, continuing yagna, offered, to be continued with offering ahutis of our old selves, of our old burdens. सो जब मुझे अपना ही बर्डन खुद नहीं रखना, तो मैं दूसरे का बर्डन कैसे ले लूंगी?
Mhm.
And that is why we suffer. And suffering is nothing but a signal that this does not belong to me. I am not at my right place. This burden is not my belonging. Just know that just like you offer your own self to the divine, offer the whole world to the divine. That's called prayer. When you want to send healing to someone, you cannot say in the healing that, okay, may he be healed fast. Not at all, because we don't know whether his healing, body healing is better for the soul's progression, or maybe his dying is better for the soul's progression. Only soul's progression matter. So in such kind of a case, first of all, I would say do best whatever you want to, or whatever you feel is right, to maintain a sanity. In the sense, I haven't read newspapers for maybe 20 years. In 20 years, I have not read a single newspaper. And whatever news I come across is through Facebook or maybe sometimes WhatsApp groups. And I see that I don't belong to that news channels or news groups at all, because they display a distorted image. Now this discussion that we are having here, they would not be publicizing that on the news channel that three people met today and talked about death and suffering. But these things are also happening. So these little drops of beauty are also happening. It's not that the world is only a bad place. This inner work that Sneha talked of, the inner work that Nehal is doing, that is also happening. But that is not promoted by the media because it does not sell. We want dirty things so that we can enjoy the juice, because we don't have the juice of the divine within. So don't take it, whenever you are reading news, whenever you are going through these happenings, take it with a pinch of salt. Don't just sell yourself into it. And the only thing that can actually make us progress and also make us kind of more present to what we have today is centering yourself, as Sneha said, centering yourself in the present moment, deepening your journey, not leaving the feet of the mother within, not leaving it, no matter how juicy a situation may appear outside, because situations are juicy. You need to talk about people who are getting ill. You feel the need to talk about people, oh हमारी society में ये हो गया. What good are you doing by discussing that? So one has to really realize that the main juice, the rus of life is within. Once you start sucking on that rasa, then the outer rasas would not be necessary, and they will also stop bothering you, because you realize that there is a different significance altogether behind the appearances. So that is how I would suggest, just adding on to what Sneha also shared, you know, stay rooted within, stay with the mother, and mother knows the best. We don't know what is good for the world. We hardly can
Yeah.
figure out what is good for us. So, yeah.
I don't read newspapers and all as well. And actually I'm not worried about myself. Like I never get frightened of corona. मुझे हो जाएगा तो क्या? But when like somebody close to me it's suffering, then I get much affected.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I am not like worried about my sickness, even though I am like more prone because I am diabetic. So
Hmm.
शायद मैं जल्दी मर सकती हूँ किसी
Hmm.
और से. But
Hmm.
then I do not have that feeling. But when I see somebody else going through it, then the first thing comes to me, how should I help? फिर
Yeah, the
वो
best
help
thing you
करने के.
can do, yeah, the best thing you can do to help, remember this, Nehal, the best thing you can do, anyone, the best help is to offer that person to the divine.
Okay.
When you sit in silence, you offer all your worries and the person to the divine. That, this person belongs to you. You are responsible to take care, and offer yourself to the divine, because you also belong to the divine only. So, why to just shrug yourself away? Right? And one thing for sure, if you are truly a servant of the divine, nothing can happen to you. Nothing, because divine does not want to get rid of their own servants. It will be difficult then. So
Yeah.
the thing that makes us afraid is that we know that we are living for our own selfish agendas. That is why we are scared. If I am a servant of the divine, I don't have a selfish interest in my own life. Why would I be scared of death or anything else, even the disease?
Yeah.
Even if I have to go through the disease, mother will make me go through the disease, that kind of a faith. Yeah.
Yeah. And what should I do with the students? Because like we are listening from them, they are falling sick, and even their classmates are going through this COVID situations, and many of them they are getting infected. So because like I when I start the class, usually I don't teach the theory straight away. I try to make them more comfortable, because as such we are online, so they are finding it very unusual to be in the class online. So I give them some time to freely chat and discuss,
That's
and
good.
at that time they come up with all these things that they are really getting no suffocated being at home for such a long time. And when they hear about their own classmates and friends, I do not understand how to console them, or what should I tell them that gives them little put them in a better state, so that they continue their days, because it
You can,
presently.
with kids or with children or teenagers which you are dealing with, I think for them you can use words like, see, there are two possibilities. Either you can help a situation or you cannot help, right? There are only two
Yeah.
possibilities. Now, if you can help in a particular situation, if you feel that, I can help here, it's a bad situation, then go ahead and help. The other thing is that you are not able to help, right? So in that case, just pray. Pray that the things may turn out the best for everyone. But the third path, which is to be avoided, is neither you are doing something, neither you are praying, and you are
Yeah.
worrying and in anxiety, in panic, in guilt of not helping. You are going in loop and loop and loop. So make them
Yeah.
understand these three possibilities and ask them that you have the free will to choose. You have the free will to choose that whether I really want to help. If I cannot help, which is okay, I can, it is not my capacity to help right now. In that case, pray for whatever you are worrying about. Sit down alone in silence and pray for the whole world or the persons that you are worried about. The third case has to be completely avoided, completely, because it separates you from the light within, and that is where the darkness really begins to kind of overwhelm oneself. So the third case of not doing anything and also getting in the guilt mode and remorse, I'm not able to do anything, oh what should I do, that has to be completely avoided. So remember these three things and share it with your students that you have all the strength and do this.
Yeah.
Prayers work the best. We give the last priority to prayers. When the patient is dying, doctor say ab to prayers hi bachi hai. As if the prayers are of last, बिल्कुल last resort कि अब तो prayer कर लो और तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Mother says the first thing to do is the prayer. The first and the only thing to do is to remain engaged in a kind of a prayer. Make your life a prayer for yourself and for others. So that is the first kind of line of command, and not the last.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I'd like to share one challenge that's happening with me.
Yes, yes.
Um, last, in fact, this COVID time has been super growth filled time for me. And
Hmm.
especially since last 15 days, since the new moon, um, it's literally as if whatever I thought मैं एक दिन करूंगी, बड़ी होके, that is being like I'm given situations where I get to do that.
Hmm.
For example, I wanted to make palliative care available for everyone, and now I'm getting a job where I get paid to create content. Like मैं अपने आप करने वाली थी थोड़े साल में,
Hmm.
थोड़े महीने में probably, but मेरा रोना था कि oh, the Delhi job is gone and now what do I do? So it's as if I am getting paid to learn to do what I do.
Hmm.
And similarly, another two projects also.
Hmm.
I wanted to do art-based therapy course. Like,
Hmm.
मुझे art-based therapist facilitate करना था with, proper psychological background. And again, I'm getting an opportunity, probably, I don't know, to
Hmm.
learn that um, in what is conducive to my situation, all
Hmm.
those things. But when that is happening, I am filled with, I can say fear, or I don't know, self-doubt, one of the two.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
That, it's oh shit, oh my God kind of feeling. Because ये task बहुत बड़ा था and अभी आ रहा है सामने, and I thought I will do it and I
Hmm.
want to do it. Like even now I want to do it, but
Hmm.
I feel I want more support.
Yeah,
अभी you have to do it alone kind of feeling is coming.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. So, again, Shreya, it's like all the illnesses and the remedies one. Sorry, Sneha, huh? All 10,000 maladies and one remedy. We have Ramban with us. And the thing is that the Ramban looks so simple that the mind gets deceived. Mind says, no, the solution cannot be so simple. Mother cannot be the solution. It's really amazing. Mother or the divine, in any case, how your connect is. So for me, it's the mother. So, and I'm coming from that kind of a connection. So I share what has happened for me. That is what I shared with you. So I am telling you that it's only the mother we have to hook on to. And even if, for example, I am facing this challenge that I feel alone, share with the mother, mother, I feel alone and I think I'm not capable of it. Talk to the mother. And then mother will show you something. I'm sure she has her own ways for everyone. And you will see that either you are not alone, or even if you are alone, you are so much capable that you are not even aware of your capabilities. So in faith, and offering your work to the mother really helps, because when you are beginning this new work, say to the mother, offer it to the mother, mother, this I want to make it as an offering to the world that really needs a lot of help. I want to offer myself to the world through this work, and look how beautiful will it become, because there you will not be having any selfish agendas at all. You are offering everything to the mother. Mother, if it's the best for the world, make me do it. If it's not the best for the world, make me out of the project. So there you are getting detached also, and you're offering selflessly your whole life as well, your time, your life, your dedication. And that is the sure short remedy of all the fears, all the doubts, all the anxieties. The only thing is that the mind keeps on slipping again and again, which is the nature of the mind so far. Human mind, it's like restless, so it pops up again and again and becomes fearful, becomes doubtful, becomes full of confusion. The only task that I as a sadhak or person on this path has to do is put it back with the mother. Put it back with the mother. Just, you don't have to do anything else. You are being shown the way as you are sharing, everything that you wanted to do is now coming up, and you will be shown the way, because divine is, as we are discussing nowadays, we are doing Savitri sometimes, Savitri discussions. So there, Satyavan and Savitri. So Satyavan is my soul, which is
Mhm.
tied as if wedded to the divine mother, Savitri. We cannot be separate. It's the thought that I am separate from the divinity that makes me less capable, that makes me doubt my self-worth, that makes me doubt my strength or the capacities of offering that I have. So again, just put yourself back with the mother. Have faith that I will be guided. No matter how much breaking may happen in my life, how much I may break, shatter, I am held and I will be held. The only thing that can break is what is fragile. You are so powerful that you cannot break. So to reach that power, we have to go through a series of breakings. So let the breakings come, let the breakings come. Let the unnecessary be broken off.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Thank you.
yeah, most welcome. So, any further questions?
Can I write the assignments like in my words and take a photo and post it, or is it necessary to do it on computer only?
यार कंप्यूटर पे करो तो थोड़ा इजी है, मतलब मेरे लिए रीड करना, फॉर एग्जांपल. But photo would be difficult because I need to comment also. So you need a Word document,
Okay.
because I need to, then put my responses below that. Otherwise, I'll have to
Okay.
copy it from your photo and type it on my computer. So that will be a
Okay.
challenge, huh? Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah. So take your time, do it आराम से जब भी आपके पास
No,
time.
because I'm like I have a habit of making notes and then writing, and so फिर उसमें से
अच्छा,
मुझे वो मैं
okay, okay, मैं
लिखूंगी
समझ गई.
ऐसे,
हाँ.
इसलिए that's the reason.
Yeah, I think do the effort. Because we are so lazy, in all the other areas we are ready to do the effort, but where these things are concerned, we say, सबसे easy से हो जाए, सबसे आसानी से हो जाए. So do the effort and yeah, submit it properly, I would say.
Yeah, yeah.
ठीक है? So let's call it a day. I think if not anything else, I'm here only if
Yeah,
anything is there, or then you can work on your readings and worksheets and assignments,
yeah.
whatever, right? Okay, great. Have a good day then.
Thank you.
Fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Mm.
Bye.